Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a DIY face mask for a glowing skin. So I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, put your notification buttons on for more videos on my channel. So let's get into it. First, I'm going to tell you the ingredients I put together for my turmeric face mask. First, I get my turmeric. It's here. My turmeric. It's in the solid form, and I get my honey. Yeah, original honey. If you want it to work, then I get my bowl for mixture, and I use this to mix my paste and put it on my face. So first, I open this up, then I pour small quantity that I'll be using in the plate. I don't want it to be wasted, so maybe to be as small as possible. Yeah. Close this up. Then I had my honey. I'll put drop that will be enough to mix this. Alright, I think that should be okay. Then I mix it. I mix the paste. I don't think this is enough, so I had more honey, and more turmeric to it. Yeah. And I mixed so it forms a consistency that is not too thick or too liquid. Yeah, this kind of consistency here, so that it will dry fast on the face. Yeah. Then I put it on my face with this. You make sure you can get a brush for it to be faster, but this is what I have. I just got to manage it. Make sure it gets to every part of your face. Make sure it reaches every part of your face, and be careful so it won't stain your clothes, because it stains. It's difficult to remove this yellow stains on your clothes, so you just have to be very careful with it. Yeah. then I have to leave it to dry. So I'll keep myself busy for like 30 to 35 minutes working. I'll do all sorts of stuffs. So I make sure I put this in the morning, like weekends when I have nothing to do. So I'll be busy. I won't know when the thing will dry. And maybe at night when I think I'll soon be sleeping or some stuffs. I do stuffs to keep myself busy till this thing on my face gets dry and I'm able to wash it off. So see you guys when I'm all dried up. This takes like forever to dry up, so I'm going to just wash it off. It has used 45 minutes, but it's best if you let it stay longer. Well, for just this video, I just had to let me just wash it up so you guys can see the after effect of this face mask. I do it twice a week. Well, I'm not someone that is consistent with it, but if you're consistent with it, you get to see the results in weeks. So here's my DIY mask to glowing and popping skin. So my face is all rinsed now, so I'm gonna just rub my face with this clean towel. And please don't use the same towel you use for your body on your face for you to get the results that you want. So here's the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, my DIY face mask, so you can get your skin popping and glowing on a budget without having to rob a bank. So thank you for watching this video. If you happen to just come across this video, please do subscribe. Just click that button. Just click the subscribe button. It won't even take you a second. Just click that like button and put on your notification for more videos on my channel. I would really appreciate it. And please share this video and try this out and let me know how it works for you. You have to be consistent about it. It just not work. It's not magic. It doesn't just, work in a day. So you have to be consistent. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.